Summer is officially here, and so are the newest versions of GastroPlus and ADMET Predictor. Current license holders can now log into the customer portal to download the latest software at no additional charge. This month, we're traveling to Chungnam National University in South Korea to host the GastroPlus PBPK Modeling and Simulation Workshop from lead optimization to clinical development. Here you will learn about the new enhancements and updates in version 9.6. And for the first time in South Korea, we will also review ADMET Predictor version 9. Upon completion of this course, you should have a solid understanding of the interactions that exist among the various mechanistic phenomena affecting drug dissolution, absorption, pharmacokinetics, and pharmacodynamics. Are we headed to your city next? Visit us online to find out. July 15th through the 19th, Grace, Fraczkiewicz, and Dan O'Connor are exhibiting at the 22nd North American ISSX Meeting in Montreal, Quebec. Don't miss Grace's presentation, In Silico Modeling of In Vitro Metabolism, Transport, and Toxicity Data on July 15th at 2:30 p.m. July 22nd through the 24th, Jim Mullin and Dan O'Connor are exhibiting at CRS Annual Meeting and Expo in New York City. Jim will present his poster entitled In Vivo Extrapolation of Itraconazole Precipitation using Biphasic Dissolution Test and Mechanistic Absorption Model. And finally this month, we're advocating for World Hepatitis Day on July 28th. We are proud to be using our QSP model NAFLDsym to bring medicines to patients diagnosed with hepatitis as soon as possible. But 9 out of 10 people are living with viral hepatitis and they're unaware. Help us raise awareness and find the missing millions. Thanks for watching.